Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile and remove all your posts at once using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, managing your content has never been easier. Let's walk through the simple steps to delete all your posts in just a few clicks. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled More. This will open up a list of additional settings and tools for your account. Next, find and select your activity. This section is your hub for everything you've done on Instagram, from posts to comments and more. Once inside, look for the Photos and Videos section. Under this, choose Posts. This is where you'll find every photo and video you've ever shared on your profile. Now, it's time to take action. At the top of the Posts section, you'll see a Select button. Click on it, and checkboxes will appear next to each of your posts. Go ahead and select all the posts you want to delete. You can choose a few, or if you want a completely fresh start, select them all. With your posts selected, look for the Delete button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click Delete, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. This is your last chance to make sure you're not deleting something you want to keep. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. That's it. Your selected posts will be permanently removed from your profile, leaving you with a clean slate. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to quickly manage and refresh their Instagram presence, all from the comfort of a desktop browser. Thanks for following along. Enjoy your newly organized Instagram feed.